want to associate with illiterate Benin women anymore.
So do not hear. They deny us now.
My sister, I better mute first. I want to tell you one thing. I better mute first, my sister. See, I mean, this one is small. Eloghosa they call a dog with me and shower. People maybe honey. You never hear them. I want shower my dog, but Eloghosa not today he started to do all these things. This one is just small one. This one is small one. Eloghosa don't come at platform and say what is so special about the Benin people. Oh my daughter, okay, ta. The way he called it, even Anna. Now this Eloghosa matter. The way they talk to Anna, one day insulted Anna. Even my own mama boy. The way they talk to my one day, I didn't like it. I vexed. I said, what? Hi, Eloghosa no.
Move one inside though. Everybody they insult.
Wow.
They move one inside.
Well, no, you're not my head. They don't make it up.
That's this morning they deny. If they deny what he talk, maybe he don't forget. He don't remember again. Mercy continue the audio. I be me live like this. If they deny, say no, he thought it beneath women.
Also, you know how many
people made them not they insult me for plan. Oh, who they kill you?
No, beg. Men are all done, beg now. Oh my God, men are all done, I beg. Beneath honest, no do wrong thing. Our fellow woman insult her parents. Everybody see and do what they do. Not be seen on social media. Even the same sister see her. She the first one to the police talk as is there. I beg, I don't feel talk as husband. I know they insult beneath honest again. No be she talking.
Beneath honest. Don't go no be away.
The way you taught me, you they insult your papa and your mama or your sister.
I beg you now, hold on. Men are all done.
I beg.
I beg. Beneath fairness.
Beneath fairness, hold on.
The way we allow us
Beneath fairness is okay. Beneath fairness is okay.
Let us a platform go tell and say don't do. When you are
not be used to the death for my yesterday.
Beneath fairness is okay. It's okay.
Mama, I beg. You don't. Eloghosa, let me speak for Beneath fairness.
Beneath fairness. God bless you for insulting me.
Mama,
it's okay. I beg. I feel talk as
please, I want to speak for Beneath fairness.
Okay, just be talk, I beg.
Let me speak for.
I beg, wait, I beg. I just want to talk so. Many boys not stop and beg. May talk in mind. If I don't go insult, I may quiet. I beg. May talk in mind. I don't want to instigate any problem for family matter. I beg. Continue.
First of all, I'll speak for Beneath fairness. Beneath fairness not do bad thing. When she tell me say, Eloghosa they insult my father when being uncle, you they get. And another thing, I think God beg una for comment section. More not they insult Beneath fairness again. She no do bad because I was not online. I did work. If really say I see and when be say they do that nonsense, only God know what for happen between me and her this afternoon for a platform where for go they talk that nonsense. You understand? The thing is, everybody know for Baby Sky platform since then say, even when Eloghosa they misbehave, Rugged Ashawo, I came to your platform to beg you. I beg. I even made a statement I made a statement. I said, what if these people that you have been fighting ever since? Yeah, about this whole thing. Maybe they go begin laugh us. I no beg you, Rugged Ashawo. The same thing when we say I've been begging on his behalf since then. Not that I don't know Eloghosa. Yes. Not be say I don't know. Not be say I don't know.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Mama, I have never done
everything person. Finish.
The people's mandate, my brother, call. Mama, I
beg, I never talk finish. Rugged Ashawo, Mama, I beg, not verse. I not cut word for your mouth.
Problem is,
Eloghosa.
Jonah later.
Eloghosa, since then, not be say I don't know Eloghosa say he get bad character. I know her, but my sister, if person na your own, You get the way you take protect and we on a human being. But when it's too much, you go talk, you understand? I have never speak like this before, apart from this morning for who the Zuzu platform. You they get, and because he did something this morning that also annoyed me. How will you be calling yourself big fish? Like you let people applaud you. Not be you go they applaud yourself. Everybody they complain about you for one thing. Like, you know, if you just calm down, may you listen to somebody. Arrogant Ashawo, could you believe that day when I come your platform, I still go meet my brother? I can't tell and say, brother, you don't do, you never reach like this when they stagger you. You know his statement to me because I will open up today. I be the same, I try cover some kind things, but that one know me say I be fool. I no get sense. It know what he tell me, say me when because he go take me settle with una. Since that day now I unfollow Eloghosa, I no come they talk to Ram again. I can't do my own. As far as you can use that statement for me, now for me to shift from you. You understand? Several times, Eloghosa don't talk down, even for baby Sky platform. Don't talk to me anyhow. But I no go talk because that I get regard for person when senior me. But as for this, I have done you nothing. I only like, bros, what you they doing no good. That was why I said it don't make sense. Then you came outside, you can't they insult my father. I don't want to talk this matter, Richard, because if I tell my elder sister, how's when busy my papa for born 50 children. Eloghosa egbe. You dey hear me so? Egbe. The reason why una see say I dey very emotional just now is because I love my father so much. And my father is a very wisdom person. When we say get sense, I just still go remember some kind things. Now made me even dey emotional just now. As for Eloghosa, it no concern me whether una swear for an arty tomorrow. Only Makame. Anybody when want call me, tell me say discuss Eloghosa matter with me. I no need them because Mr. Era we dey here just now. He they do wetin they vex me. Forget say you be Eloghosa friend. I don't know the discussion when you are Eloghosa get. At least person come and say they throw my father, insult my father. I was even here. You couldn't even tell me it's okay. Calm down, please. I understand how you feel. The next thing you were telling me here and the era was that a family matter will not discuss on here. If now you person swear for your papa or talk down on your father, you not go verse. I don't understand. Person insult my father online. You they tell me say na family matter. Then when I begin to insult beneath finest. I don't like this whole thing. I not be TikTok person. I know they do all this social media thing. Just that's okay, my people laugh, play. I don't understand. Whether I swear for Eloghosa and Nati tomorrow, it no concern me again. Because why I be the defender before try to make peace. But Eloghosa, it don't pass boundary like insulting one of the best person I love so much in my life. Or more. I know you know concern me. Whether I want to go bring juju come on and take kill him is none of my business. Because you don't feel insult my father that you expect me make her they shine teeth, they laugh with you. You don't do that. My father's enemy is my enemy. Yes. He's my enemy. Especially when I know that my father did not do you wrong. Now you wrong my father. My father's enemy is my enemy. So that's just it. Now you just proved to me was your enemy. So from today, Eloghosa, you are my enemy. That's all I.
All right, madam. Sorry for we telling you that if Eloghosa insult you, say
It's okay,
you don't
Justin.
insult her back for social media, saying a family matter. Now bad thing we do.
That's not how to address issue.
How do you want us to address?
It's okay.
That's not
I
how to address issue. Who is this Mrs. Edi? Madam, you respect yourself.
Me say,
Now, no place you where you belong.
it's okay. Wait, I beg. Me said it's okay. Now she not. Me said she not. Me said she not mention your name now. Seriously, she not mention your
Because you
name.
not get respect.
It's okay, Justin. It's okay. Me said it's okay now. Why you
You
there?
hear me?
Wait, just be all
You
done.
don't get respect
Just be all
because Mama
done.
Hannah
Just
they
be
talk
all
to you
done
this
now.
morning. You they talk back
Just
and
be all
don't let me
done.
talk to you.
Just
And
be
they
all
warn
done,
you.
please.
I'll
Just be all
say
done.
Ipalage one first, make them warn you because if people say you they find wetin dey my mouth.
Just be all
Later
done.
that
Just
fire
be all
you.
done. Just be all done.
Bastard.
I beg. Make I ask something here. Me said.
If you stay one place, you dey waka up and down. They do nonsense, they go, you they craze.
We don't
Wait,
hear
Don't
you.
they
no,
fire
it's all
you?
them. It's all the
We don't
other.
hear you.
Don't they
It's
fire
all
you?
done. Just it's
We don't
okay.
hear
Just
you. We
I'm
don't
gonna
hear
mute
you.
and man, this not the work again. I beg say we get it
Spirit,
again.
I get his spirit now,
It's
no
okay
support now for
now.
evil way.
It's okay, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. People mandate you will talk about not verse after you say your talk. Me said the more talk truth now. Why you dey attack this lady now? Now better thing wey Eloghosa tell dey attack a parents. I don't know the reason we have the support of Eloghosa. This girl never do anything wrong. Wetin tell this girl parents, if they really talk and come and people will dey disappointed, but no just forget that one. Me say no need to attack this lady. Even though say you love Eloghosa or you like Eloghosa, but e no easy. E no easy. Wetin dey attack people, he come attack him parents join now. Wetin the girl do am? Abeg people ma dey talk. People ma dey, are you there? People ma dey.
Yes, I'm
Okay,
here.
continue, bro.
I've been busy. When I see this Eloghosa matter. Anyway, see, what I just need to say is this. That man needs help. And I'm glad that is it just Vivi, who has claimed to be a member of the family? If you can reach out to your family, just Vivi. I don't think this is about Saga or Eloghosa is probably suffering from, depression, perhaps. And the guy has a lot that is going on. And if his best friends are not actually telling him the truth, I will tell him the truth. I don't give the man is doing a lot, but not to me, and I know not to Edo people. He's actually making a fool of himself. But if the family really love this man, they need to put some sanity check on him, because what he's doing, I would never in my life want to post Edo people, even on my platform, on what I do and all of those things. But I've been posed or pushed into a corner where I had to go cut.
Eddie, wetin dey worry you? Say make you rest, rest, you sharp your thing down. Make you dey support her to dey support her. Ogun gbo Eddie. The craze.
Wait, me say you dey happy for the way Eloghosa take dey insult Edo women? You dey happy the way they insult Edo women? Make support her for that nonsense. He said, me not understand you. You just dey happy for the way Eloghosa take dey insult. Now make I talk say he just must surely get supporters. Monkey Face must get supporters. People like Abatobazi must get supporters. You see wetin person go carry the full Edo women, insult all of them. You see the supporter with that kind of thing. Now wow.
I think continue.
People mad at.
Then those that are in the comment section supporting the activities of Eloghosa, then they probably need to do a DNA check and really check themselves, because clearly either you are not me. I'm looking after not just a man that needs help, but also an Edo man. If you think this is about, let's choose who we want to choose or let's be on his side, then you are actually the enemy to Eloghosa. All man need help. You're supposed to be at a position where you can offer this man help. If you all are double tapping, commenting, saying, what he's doing is right, you are letting him, empowering him, then you are as well as worse as those that we are all fighting. You're probably one of the enemies, one of the agents that, that this man, is listening to. You understand? Okay, let me just say, just Vivi, I have heard everything he has said about your father, but in all honesty, it's a bit of disappointing that
It's so disappointing. Like I have been defending somebody that had my father in mind. Like I don't understand. I love my dad so much. You came to say nonsense about my father for what? Have I done you any wrong?
Just Vivi, you don't need to be like pained too much, because a lot of people in their right senses will know that this man is dealing with his own, is dealing with his own mental state at the moment. You know, it's not normal, and I don't think you should be pained over what Eloghosa says with his mouth right now. Even on his same social media a few months ago, he mentioned something about his wife, losing his wife because he's fighting for history or fighting for this and whatever not. So if those that are around Eloghosa are not actually looking into what he has been doing for the past 3 months and call an order and say, you know what, our brother, you're overstepping. This is becoming too much. Then those people are actually the ones that are bad around Eloghosa. You understand? The man can open TikTok, wherever, and do, saga, because this is what Eloghosa is doing. Someone who is looking for fame. You're looking for fame. You don't care to what length you go. You understand? You don't care to what length you go. Even eating the shit that man, it's too much. So I think we shouldn't even be opening platform for this man again. Let him just continue in his madness. And if he really needs help, maybe when it comes to his right senses, he will go to people who can help him. And I will ask you, just Vivi, I don't think he wants to drag your family issue into this. First is history. When you listen to the man, he will talk history. History is the problem. Edo people are the problem. Now it's not family, wife, a lot of other things. So you got to study people, give them a chance. And I listen to this man and I'm like, I don't really know who's fought him. Even the audio where he went to Lily's platform, it was over 15 minutes. I have to cut because I'm like, the man is not making sense, one. And I don't know who actually wronged him, that he has now gone to Lily's platform talking all the shit he needed to speak there because he just wants to be famous. I posted a video of him yesterday. He came, he dragged me the whole of yesterday.